This is the one I came to see. I don't know how far back these flats have been demolished since I last saw them a few days ago, but I'm assuming pretty bad. Oh my god, look, a huge road monster here. Look at that. Bash right, that crane is right in the middle of bashing someone's house, absolutely, and they've left it there as well. How nice. Not. Huge sod-off bulldozers. I need to come to Coventry and see these demolitions for myself. And if they don't like my filming, so be. Oh my god. Right, they've started bashing the other house now. Goodbye house. Not much longer to go, unfortunately. Look at this. The crane, looks like this crane just enjoys doing what it's doing. It's just, yeah, they really enjoy destroying people's lives, don't they, these idiots? Sod off bulldozers. Right, look at this. Sod off bulldozers. Unless you're building social housing, sod off bulldozers. Sod off dinosaur crane. I know these are the ones they used to, by the way, actually demolish the house. They can grab the side and kind of yank at it like this. And then they get the T-Rexes to finish off with all the rubbish, basically. The T-Rexes clean up, and these ones actually do the breaking down of the building. Oh my god. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off bulldozers. I wonder how long they're at the demolition for. I may come again tomorrow. This is not good. Oh, look at that sky in comparison. Beautiful blue sky. Destroying people's homes. What a combination. Oh dear. Sod off bulldozers. I'm sorry to say, but as a socialist I cannot condone this. Sod off bulldozers. Look at this road monster here. It looks like it's really enjoying tearing up people's homes. Look at the mess on these homes. This is horrible, Robert. Look at this. You're going to have to bring Sarah down to see this. This is horrible. Right. I don't want to see Ladywood and King's Heath like this. Not King's Heath, Druid's Heath. Sod off bulldozers. It takes about 8 days to demolish an entire house. These, it's taken probably about a couple of days. Sod off bulldozers. These, thank God, are staying up. If these have been, see what I mean? Renovated. Sod off bulldozers. Meadow House. I like Meadow House. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off bulldozers. Sod off developers. Sod off road monster. Sod off chomp chomp monster. Go and eat something. That, honestly, that crane. This is a bit of humour now. Now look here, you big greedy crane. Can't you go and feed on something else? Go and eat somebody else's house? Look at that. It looks like something out of a movie or something. Goodbye houses. Sod off bulldozers.